Today's signing ceremony with CRBC kicks off the construction formally of Jabali Towers, which has 2 towers, rising the first one to 25 floors and the second one to 36. And what we see here today is the beginning of a good partnership with CRBC. We see this company meeting all the milestones for construction and development of Jabali Towers. We're very excited by the success of Jabali Towers and all the interest in it. We've sold more than 75% of the first tower. Jabali Towers is really the pinnacle of urban living in Tattoo City. All of the developments around it, 35 shops, retail, restaurants. We have what we call Eat Street, which has restaurants lining either side. Right in front of Jabali Towers, we have the plaza,